Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I literally post a video every single day. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a valve cover gasket on a 1965 Volvo PV544 with the Volvo B20 motor. Now, it could be older models, it could be newer models, but also I think the B18 and B20 are exactly identical, so you can share the same gasket. First things first, you just want to remove the cap, honestly, the oil cap, filler cap, and it's gone. That's it. Got to remove that first. And you might have a breather tube, so you may want to, take off the breather tube. Next, you're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 bolts, and you're just going to unscrew each one. There's 4. There's 2 on each side. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay guys, with that being said, you should be able to remove it just like so. And so it's simply not possible to remove the valve cover without removing this vacuum line. So when we're going to be putting back the vacuum line, we're going to have to put Teflon tape because I don't want any leaks. So let's give it a try and see if she works. Oh, she does. Okay, that was easy. There you have it, boys. She's out. And now we could simply remove it, the valve cover. By doing so, simply gonna raise her up. There's a fuel line there, but you could go around that, honestly, and just come out this way. Boom. Okay, here's the original old gasket. Before we're gonna take it off, I'm gonna see if mine would fit. So it looks like she fits, so we can take the old one off now. I'm gonna take the old one off. Very carefully. You don't want to have any dirt in the engine at all. So take her off. It kind of sticks, so you gotta be careful. That's how old it was so far. Once she's off, take her off. So guys, instead of putting it up there, that was a mistake. You put the gasket in here. There's like these little clips right here that you could insert it in, and that way the gasket don't move anywhere at all. Pretty smart for a 1965. All right, make sure you got her aligned with the holes everywhere, wherever you need to put the screws in, and time to screw her back in. So guys, remember, when you're screwing these in, you don't want to over tighten like anything else. So when you screw them in, you gotta just screw them in hand tight as hard as possible, and hopefully you're not superhuman, so just don't over tighten, just get it tight enough so it won't come off. Alright guys, so next you're gonna have to put Teflon tape back in the vacuum line because it's a vacuum line. I don't want any air leaks, so now you're just gonna screw it in. There you have it, guys, and that's how you changed the valve cover gasket and a Volvo PV544 Sport 1965 with the B20 motor. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.